Okay, in Java, right, mainly we are going to create the class. Okay, already we saw, right, how to create project in previous session. Then whenever you are creating project, default package will be created. Package is combination of different classes, interfaces. In single package, we can create multiple class files, interfaces, and also enums. We can create multiple packages as well. Okay, there is no limitation in this particular project. Under particular project, you can create a number of packages. Package 1, package 2. There is no limitation. We can create a number of packages. Generally, what is package? Package is combination of, in some intros, they will ask you, okay, what is package in Java? It is combination of classes, interfaces, and enums. I will show you one by one how to create class file, then how to create interface, enum. Okay. There is no limitation. In this particular package one, you can create a number of classes, interfaces. Okay. But naming convention is very important. What is the project name you are creating? Then what is the package name? Package name always you need to define with the organization. Even if you see any companies, right? Okay. It will be like this. org dot capgemini dot selenium script. Like this. org dot tcs dot selenium script. Based on their organization, some people they will create like this as well. com dot tcs dot like this as well. Okay, different companies they will follow, but whenever you are creating, right, be careful, everything should be in lower case. There is no uppercase. See, only we define everything, each and every character in lower case for package alone. Okay, then if you see class, whenever you are creating class, here you need to start with uppercase. Suppose we are going to learn about a class like car. Okay, you want to know about details car. Here you are going to start with car. Then if you want, you can add underscore as well, car details, like this. Then human details, like this also you can create without spaces. If you try to give spaces in class, it will throw exception. You can define like this as well. Or you can go with this example underscore car, like this. Okay, this naming convention is very important. Once if you started working, right, then you can able to understand easily. No need to worry. Once if you are practicing, then only you can able to understand. Then today we are going to see about class. What is class in Java? Class is a blueprint of object or template to create objects. It contains variables and methods. Then variable represents like attributes, or we can say, mm, if you want to describe any object, right? Yes, it is kind of mm, fields, okay, variables, property. You can say property as well, okay. Then method you can represent as action. Let's create class and we'll see. Again, I'm going to start from starting, okay, how to create project. Click on file, new, Java project, core Java, basics. Here, we are going to select the installation version 1.8, then click on finish. By default, you can see JRE system library. Then under this, we can see different jar files as well. Jar file is combination of multiple packages. See, these are the packages. If you expand package, you can see the class files, interfaces. These are predefined ones. Without this library, you can't able to write single Java program. This is the default package. Whenever we are creating project, right, you can see this default package. Now, suppose I'm working in organization like Cognizant. Dot Cognizant dot core Java basics. This is the package name. Under this, we are going to create example class. Okay. Here I'm going to class as, let me take this as car. By default, you need to select this main method. Okay. Without this main method, you can't able to execute the Java program. Suppose if I am going to delete this, you won't get option. Right click, run as Java application. Without main method, you can't able to execute the Java program. This is the shortcut. Okay. Suppose if you don't want to type completely, just type main control space. Here you can see this option control space. Okay. These are the shortcuts you need to know. Double slash. So this is the info I want to tell you. Control plus space bar. You need to plus type main. We are going to type partially. Then I'm going to give control space. Let me delete again. Again, I will show you main control space. This. You need to select that. You will get the main method. Suppose if you forget to select this while creating class file, you can do like this as well. Okay. Now you can see the option as run as Java application. Now if you try to execute, it won't print anything because you need to define system.out.println. Then only you can see the content in console. Without system.out.println, this is another shortcut. Okay. Don't need to, no need to type anything. Okay. Completely. Type SYSO. Then control space. You will get this option. Double click. Double slash SYSO. Control plus space. You need to know these basic shortcuts. Okay. To type everything right, it will take time. That's why we are going to use this control space. These are the some shortcuts you need to know. Suppose I'm going to comment single line, right? I can use double slash. Suppose I have 5 lines of code like this. Test one, test. I want to comment these 3 lines. How can I do? Here we have shortcut. Okay. In keyboard also you can use source. See here. Select whatever lines you want to comment, right? Select these lines and go here, source, See, add block comment. This is the shortcut. Control plus shift plus slash. Forward slash, backward slash, two options we have for adding comments, removing comments. Okay. Now I'm going to add comment. See, whenever you are adding comment to the multiple lines, you can see this option star slash star, then star like this. Again, star slash. You want to uncomment? Same thing. Go here, remove block comment like this. If you want to suppose 100 lines of code is there, okay, you joined in one organization, okay, you don't want to execute complete code. Here we can use like this, comment that particular, select that particular line of code, add block comment, don't disturb anything. Okay, try to understand if you are joining any organization, right? Don't disturb the existing code. Try to use a comment that one. Okay, then we can go with this blocking, unblocking. These are the shortcuts. Okay, here 1 minute. I'm getting comment. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to see the example about car. If you take car, right, what are the fields you will get generally? String, car making. Later I will tell you what is the string. Okay, then string model into year. For year, right, we are going to define single integer, right? We can define default value as 0, or if you want, we can declare like this. No need to assign values as well. Then we have color, string color. Then we have mileage. Okay, for each and every car we have mileage into mileage. Okay, if you take car, right, these are the properties. Car is having these properties. String car make. Okay, if you take any Toyota, in that again model will be like different models we have in Toyota. You can define as model. Then year. Okay, when they release this particular model, then color of the model, particular model, then mileage. Okay, how much it will give mileage. Example here you can take Honda. Okay, no, I will tell you. Okay, these are the properties. So properties we are going to define. We are going to define as variables. Technically, these are the variables. If you say Java language, right, we are going to define this as here karmic model, year, string color, int mileage. Then here you can see methods. Okay, methods are actions. What we are going to perform in car. Example, if you take method as public void start car, this is one method. Public void accelerate. If you want to increase speed, we are going to use accelerate method. if you notice right properly, while creating class name, I started with uppercase. After completing one word, again uppercase, then again uppercase. Then if you see variables, these are your variables. We are going to start with lowercase c, or make, model, or you can give an like this, make underscore car, model underscore car. Hmm, underscore car, then underscore car. This naming convention, right? Your wish, okay? But this should be meaningful. What you are writing, right? If anyone see your code, they can able to understand. That's why naming convention is very important whenever you are writing code. And also you need to follow, okay? When class name, always it will start with uppercase, then variables. These are the variables. We are going to start with lowercase. See, for each and everything I defined lowercase. And also method names. Method names we are going to start with lowercase. Start car, accelerate car. Then we have public void. Uh, no need to worry, okay? Even if you are new to coding also, no need to worry. Just go through my videos, recorded videos, okay? Practice same whatever I am teaching. And then backend, okay, how it is going to execute, how it will compile the code, that and all no need to learn in depth, okay? I will tell you high level what is JRE, okay, JVM, memory and all. Again, if it is a version, okay, we don't need that much knowledge for Selenium. Just you need to know how to create class file, how to define variables, how to create methods, then what is this public, what is this void. You need to know all these basic things, what is static and all. Same thing I am going to teach. No need to worry, okay? Just to follow my instructions, okay? It will take time for you to understand this coding part. If you are new, if you are not having any hands-on from CSC background, okay? Just to follow my instructions, that's it, okay? Public void break underscore car. If you want to add underscore as well, if you want to capitalize this, okay, after completing one word, again you need to start with capital. Then public void stop car, like this. Okay, in a class, if you are taking example as class car, we are going to define that properties as a variables. Then methods are actions. These are the actions which we are going to perform with car. Here I am going to print something like this. System.out. Just info, okay? Start car. Here, whatever you are giving right in double quotes, it will print same thing. Here I am going to add design like this. See, accelerate car. Whatever you will give right here, same thing it will print in output inside double quotes. If you try to give anything outside double quotes, right, it will throw exception. See, it is throwing error. Syntax error or token 8888. You need to represent like this in double quotes if you want to define. Or you can delete this token. I'm going to delete this token for time being. Okay, it will give you detailed information. What is the error? Then what you need to perform. Just you need to understand properly what is the error, what is the solutions you need to define, or what are the actions you need to take in. If you take example as car, these are the properties of car. Some properties, okay. Still we have like sunroof will be there, whether sunroof present or not. We are going to define boolean sunroof available or not. If available, we are going to define boolean sunroof equal to true. Okay, for each and every car, sunroof won't be available. Like this, many properties should be there for any car. Hmm. Then these are the properties. Then methods we are going to define like this. Why we are not writing this for variables? Okay, public is, we are not defining for variables. Only simply we are defining like string, integer. What is this string, integer? I will tell you later. Try to understand today what is class. Class, if you go through definition now, you can able to understand. Class is blueprint of object or template to create objects. Object means which exist in real world. Okay, if you want to describe any object, then this is our blueprint. This is the one. Inside class, we are going to define about car, fan, human, then bank account. If you want to open any bank account, you can take example that as well. Anything, okay, which exist in real world, those are objects. If you want to describe about any object, then we are going to create class like this. There we are going to define, okay, these are the properties should we have. Each and everything, okay, companies, first they will design a block diagram like this. They can use like different tools as well. Okay, these are the things we are going to define for car. These are the properties. In detail, they will define. Just I took couple of properties as example. Then these are the methods. If you see method, we are defining like this. For each and every method, if you want, you can minimize. See, I'm going to minimize this method. Total we have 5 method, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including main method. Okay, I am new to coding. By mistakenly, okay, inside this curly brace, I am going to write the another method. What will happen? It will throw exception because inside method we cannot define another method. You need to define outside the method. Either here or here also you can define. Why it is throwing exception? Because duplicate is there. Already we have name, test car, duplicate method. Again we have test car, duplicate method. That's why it is throwing error. Try to remove one, okay, or rename one. Duplicate car one like this. If you are renaming, now see, there is no error. Like this, it will give detailed error. Only thing you need to understand what is the error, what I need to do. Start car, okay. This is the curly brace. Then accelerate. Outside this curly brace, I am going to start writing another method like this. Okay. Now, how can I call this? I want to set different models as well, different cars, make of the car, make model of the car. Here, here also I am going to write uh, apply brake. Okay, you can stop. Then how we are going to execute? We have main method, but we have different methods, and we need to set this. What is the make of the car? Whether it is Toyota, Tata, Maruti Suzuki, then Honda. You need to define this make of the car. Under that, what are the models we have? If you take Tata car, under that we have Tata Punch, then we have Tiago, Nexon, Indica, then year model. If you want, you can define like this as well. Manufacturing year. Okay. Year manufacturing car. Or you can define manufacturing underscore car. whatever, okay, you feel that, okay, this is meaningful, you can define that. But whenever you are defining any variable, always you need to start with lowercase. Okay. Now we'll try to execute this program. Now if I try to execute here, it will define like right click, run as Java application. See, nothing printed in console. See here, this is the console. Why we are not getting at bottom of the page? Because I maximize this particular window. That's why we are not getting this bottom one. Again, I am doing double click. Then see here, we are getting console here. Still, if you are not getting console, go here, window, show view. Here you can see lot of options. Like if you want to package, so by mistakenly you are closing this. Okay, package explorer. See, everything got disturbed. You can't able to see class name, package name. No need to worry. Go to window, perspective, reset perspective. Okay, reset. Again, we came back to the normal one. This is the shortcut. No need to worry. Nothing will happen. We are not paying any money for this. Okay, it is open source. Try to explore. Try to do mistakes. Then only you can able to learn. Okay, now we are going. I am going to maximize this. Just double click this. Now our window is maximized. Now we can't able to see package name and all. Console, it will be opened here. Hmm. For executing, right? Okay, we need to create object to the class. This is the syntax to create object to the class. Class name. Okay, here you need to define class name. Then reference equal to, by using new keyword, we are going to define object to the class. Then with this brackets and semicolon. If you see, right, each and every line we are defining semicolon. If I remove semicolon, what will happen? It will throw exception because syntax error, insert semicolon. Whenever you feel that, okay, I need to end this, then you are going to define semicolon here. If you notice one more thing, these four are same category. These three are same category. Make car, model underscore car, color underscore car. Okay. What I will do, the initial class, I don't confused. Okay. These are same properties, right? Same category. I will give comma like this. If you want, you can define this, but this is not best approach. Better try to define the different one. See here, we define single string. Then these are same data types, right? String. That's why we are defining under single one. If you try to define this, it will throw exception because this is different one. Already we declared, okay, duplicate one. We cannot create under string. You can do this like this as well. In single line, we can represent each and everything. But initially don't do, okay? We'll go step by step. This is the syntax to create object. Here class name is example underscore car underscore class. Okay, I don't want to give this. Simply I want to write car. I am going to rename this. Rename file to car. Rename completed. Okay. Now class name is car. I will define C1. This is your wish reference. You want whatever you want, you can define this. But this should be in lowercase always. By using new keyword, whenever you are calling new keyword, the Java compiler will understand that we are creating object to the class. Then with this C1, right, we can able to access. See what is the make. Here I am going to define startup C1 dot If you want, you can give control space as well, or by default, you will get like this. What is the model? Here we can define model as punch. C1 dot mileage. Max it will give mileage 20 kilometers per liter. See here, I defined just a number here. Okay, if you want to navigate from here to here, just press control button, then click this. See here, we are coming there. In single class, if you have 100 lines, 200 lines of code, but you want to navigate like this. Okay, by checking like this, it will be difficult. Just press control button, then click this. What is this? We defined what kind of data. Suppose by mistakenly, if I am defining in double quotes, what will happen? It will throw exception because type mismatch cannot convert from string to integer. Integer means always it will take numbers. Okay. C1 dot color equal again it is string, right? I will define white. C1 dot whatever we have already with 1, 2, 3. Another one we are having. Let me check. Okay. Total 5 we have. Manufacturing year. Okay. 2023. Again we are defining number because we define this as integer. Whenever you are defining any variable as integer, it will accept numbers. Then same thing, you can access methods as well. C1 dot apply break, accelerate. Whatever we have it. Start car, stop car. Now if you try to execute, run as Java application. Here see it is printing brake car, then accelerate car, start car. Because in this methods we defined this system.out.println. That's why it is printing in console. If you want to print these values as well, you can do this. Only thing you need to add system.out.println like this. Okay, initially we'll start with slowly. Okay, 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Once if you are confident, I will try to increase the time. 1 hour, 1.5 hours also. Because you are new to coding, I don't want to take more time. Okay, we will start slowly. Okay. Now you are defining system.out.println. Please go through this video and practice. Okay, don't try by your own. First time you just go through this video and practice. Second time you can practice by your own. Run a Java application. See, now it is printing in console. If you want to make this meaningful, yes, we can do. We need to add the string like this, double quotes. Add plus symbol here. Or make, you can define like this. We need to add a special bracket as well because this is different data type. We are concatenating with string. That's why we need to add these brackets. See, whatever we are giving, it is printing. Car make is Tata. I will add like this. Run as Java application. See, car make is Tata. Car model is like this. You can add this double quotes. For you, task is okay. You need to try for human being. Same thing, you need to create a class. Okay. Then for human being, what are the properties we have? String name, string color, then int age, string address, like that. Same methods, public void, human running, human eating, human crying, jumping, like that. Try to execute and share the program with me. Okay, in WhatsApp, I will create group. Try to share screenshots so that I can able to understand how much knowledge you gained from this session. Okay, see you in next session. Bye.